Whoa!
One more time, boss.
One more time. Wheel it, wheel it.
You see the people, Ringo, you bring Croydon bright, you know.
Thank you.
You see hundreds of people are waiting here to see your shooting. You see, you did a great job, man.
Thank you, Joseph.
You bring a lot of people in this Croydon.
Today, friend, yeah, we have brought a whole community together. Look, happiness. This is Croydon, yeah, that everybody said that it's all about gangs and whatnot. And what have we done today?
Bro, look, the community's coming,
Out
bro.
of everything what's going on today,
And it's peace. There's no violence. It's peace, bro. Like unity, bro. People from all over. You know what I'm saying? That the younger generation here, with the older people as well, they're looking. I need the music louder.
right now, more time, you don't even know the orchestration that goes in behind just to get the work done. Big up yourself, people. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, fully live and active. So today, I'm gonna be cooking live on M.R's video set. New music video, but guess what? I have to set my thing to set up the kitchen, people, so I have to go and get these things here. I'm gonna pattern up the kitchen now. Good vibes, big up yourself. I don't know what I'm going, so we're here, we're live on set. Just setting up the kitchen quickly. See M.Dot here in the background. Everybody here just kind of like everyone's kind of like just turning up right now. M.Dot just turned up. We're there, right? Yes, sir. We're gonna be creating the scenery today, people. Yeah, carnival vibes, cooking outside vibes, people. Yeah, you don't know what I'm going. 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active. What I'm going? Yeah, man. Good vibe.
Yes, we're there, not sure. Out there.
Yes, people. So we're fully active, fully outside. See Tata here, the live on set.
See you pot here, so that means to say food I cook, not sure.
Sure.
Aye, light up it.
Alright. Man like wet.
Yeah. You right, isn't it? Yeah. Pleasure. Nice to meet you. Layla.
Not check.
No check.
M.Dot. Ringo Vision.
Know what I go on, people, yeah. Video shoot settings today without Joseph stall. This is what's happening. Fully active outside today, yeah. We're gonna start cooking. This is M.Dot's bike for the day, people, yeah. Good vibes. No.
He's the Batman. He's the original.
Cheap piece of equipment in your hand. Nah, brother.
Outside.
What is it? That's Pops, yeah?
That's his daddy.
Yes, people, so we're there, so video shoot.
Come on.
On the set, behind the scenes.
Boom, boom, too hard.
Bad thing, people, look. We have to, look, everything's scattered. Cause look, I start far, we have to move up and pat them. I don't know, joke thing, people. Video shoot setting. Oh, outside, you don't know what I'm going. Yeah, stars are us people, you don't know what I'm going. And it's real. Alright, people, so we was just shooting the music video here. And the rain come out of nowhere. Look, nowhere the rain come out of everything. You saw what was happening here just a second ago. No joke thing. You understand? Now everybody just we've sectioned off all around the market. Everybody's in their own little different sections. So a good vibe, big up yourself. I had to scrap the whole cooking as well. Yeah, man. There's the stove there, just parked off. Big up yourself, people. 24-hour kitchen. Outside. Video shoot setting.
Yes, brother.
I want to thank you today
Oh,
for
amazing,
having
man,
us.
amazing.
For
You see
having
the
us.
people, Ringo, you bring Croydon bright, you know.
Thank you.
You
thank
see
you.
hundreds of people are waiting here to see your shooting. You see, you did a great job, man.
Thank you, Joseph.
You bring a lot of people in this Croydon market, you know.
Good
Thank
vibes. Good vibes.
Come on, Rings.
Raw Treks.
What we saying?
Big producer here, yeah. Look out for Raw Treks. You get me, people, yeah. Dining table.
Dining table.
All right.
Get me. Big up, man.
Welcome to Croydon, bro.
Welcome to Croydon. Tell them.
I told you, see the hard rock.
He's representing.
What's happening right now, everyone? Yeah, we're doing a scene. M.Dot's riding the bike through the market. Yeah, man.
You need to be in it already.
Yeah.
We need people that get in it, please. Get right back.
Outside, man. Fully outside.
What's your face now?
Yes, people, video shoot setting. No joke thing. Yeah man, the video shooter go on, good people, me I tell them, say, yeah man, a good vibe, outside, go on. Don't know what go on, it's been an amazing day people. Just coming on the program, yeah man, again, it's something different again people. We've been on Surrey Street Market in Croydon, just banging out the music video. We're gonna go to the next location, so you don't know, so we're vlogging the whole day people, yeah? And things were going, bare people gathering around as well, same way, you understand? Yeah man. So we're feeling again, you understand people, big up yourself, you don't know, 24-hour kitchen, I'm go vision, we're there. Huh?
It's not gonna break. Yeah, but be a bit polite, innit?
Hey people.
What I say?
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yo, now today was a day still, but guess what? There's a possibility that there might be some continued visuals. But if you don't see nothing after today, people, yeah, after right now, big up yourself. You don't know what go on.
Good vibes.
Yeah, man, it was a vlog. The video shoot behind the scenes. We're still there at Surrey Street Market.
Outside.
You don't know what go on. Big up Dara, cause it just come true as well, people. Yeah, come on. All right. What?
Hey, you can't see me, man.
Huh?
I want it up, baby.
Good vibes, people. Good vibes.
And it's not because it's dark.
Good vibes. Today, friend, yeah, we have brought a whole community together. Look, happiness. This is Croydon, yeah, that everybody said that it's all about gangs and whatnot. And what have we done today?
Bro, look, the community's
Out of everything what's going on today.
And it's all peace. There's no violence. It's peace, bro. Like unity, bro. People from all over. You know what I'm saying? That the younger generation here, with the older people as well, looking at. Even they don't even know what's going on. They're like, oh, what's going on? But they're intrigued. People got their phones out. You know what I'm saying? Look, we've been out there for hours, bro.
That is it, people, yeah. We're here in Croydon. There ain't been no violence. It's all been love, people, yeah. Video shoot, M.R. 2 halves, people, yeah. Boom, big up Joseph. Joseph's been a big supporter. He's been more or less a sponsor for this video shoot as well, people, yeah. Aye, good vibes. We're outside, people, yeah. Yeah, man, our good vibes, The community has all come together, people, yeah. Hey. Yeah, man, Croydon community. Watch it. Man your back. Yes, people, it's been a successful day. Big up yourself. You don't know what I go on. 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active. Fully active. There, outside. Charlie.
Just loading up now, yeah.
You loaded it up, Charlie?
It's loading up, but we're ready. We're on the top. Let's get off right now. You hear that?
Am I like what?
Yeah. Hey! I need the music louder.
We get louder.
Yeah,
we get louder. Music. This is the last scene, everybody, yeah.
Mr. Whippy. Nah, it's 6 still. Big up everybody, yeah. You don't know, say, yeah. We've been locked in today, yeah. 24-hour kitchen. Right. Amazin Vision. You don't know what I go on. Look, people, you ain't seen Bass actually on the program. Introduction Bass.
That is it.
Yeah,
my name is Bass Wooly. You can find me at Bass Wooly 100, yeah, on the fucking Instagram. Excuse my language. We're from the roadside, but we're coming clean, and we're cooking food. We're doing good stuff.
Good vibes, good vibes.
See there, round here, sir. Fendizoo, wet.
Yeah. Get me? Come on, man. It's been a good day. Big up Ringo, big up Bass, big up Wets. You see what I'm saying? Big up all the man them.
Come on.
Albie, get me?
Big up
Yeah.
Albie.
Big up
The whole
Albie,
team.
fam,
YGP One Camp, you don't know. Z Heights, you don't know.
GP.
Yeah, man. What George P, you did just there, so I was side.
GP.
Yeah, man. You
Yeah.
get me, the energy still there, so same way.
Same way.
Outside. M.R, the video shoot you done well today. Yeah, man. Performance. We pulled it off. You understand? We pulled it off, people. You understand?
Come on,
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Albie, Sammy, Charlie, Alfie. It happened today. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Then I jump at the back to the carrier, send him up all the way. Then I make him do jump to the courier. Lose the power, miss a shot, don't get at my man here. Put it down, hit him up. Then I tell him I won't, I'm the coroner. Don't get at my man, turn him up. I'm the idiot. Horsey. Pull up that soft buckler, make some fucking noise in there, man.
Albie, we have to make this one here red. Look at the car.
Make it work.
You have to make it red, Albie. Look at it. Alfie!
Hey, bro.
Hey, look, where's Face? Face there.
Hey, show them on the highway.
Boy, people, yeah, man, good vibes. Yeah, guess what? We went home. The video shoot was absolutely amazing, people. Yeah, Surrey Street Market, Croydon is one of the oldest market, people. Yeah, in Croydon, in the UK as well. That's where we shot the music video. Big up M.R, people. Yeah, a good vibe, said way. Look out for the music video as well, people. The music video coming out soon. Yeah, man, just a lie down in the bed right now. It was an amazing day yesterday. The shoot was absolutely amazing, people. Yeah. Good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. You don't know where I go on. Amazin Vision. Stay tuned, people, yeah? I got a lot more episodes coming out. I'm fully active now. The sun's back out in the UK, or at least better than it was in the last few months. You understand? So the temperature's changed up. So look out for a lot more outdoor episodes, people, yeah? You don't know where I go on. Until next time, 24-hour kitchen. In at them fierce, people, yeah? I'm gonna keep it in your faces. Yeah, man. And who don't like it, you just have to put up with it. But I just don't know, say, you guys that have been on the journey, you guys have been absolutely amazing. And guess what? I appreciate every single one of you people, yeah? Big up till next time. Good vibes.